Hi everyone, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas. Join me in my quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is the ultimate Galaxy AI-powered smartwatch designed to keep you on top of your health and fitness. First, let's check out the design of the box. So as you can see, it's a plain white box with the image of the product printed on the cover. Okay. And now we're ready to lift the cover. Okay. Oh wow. That's how it looks. This is Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 in the green colorway. So let's check out what's inside this smaller box under the cover. It's the quick start guide. So it's a mini booklet. Okay. Okay. And this is the wireless charging pad. And finally, let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So let's take it out of the case. There you go, that's how it looks. And at the back. Okay, that's how it looks. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is out now in the Philippines for 19,990 and it's available in green and silver. For this price, you're getting premium design and cutting-edge smartwatch technology. Now, let's dive into my 7 favorite features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, starting with what really sets this watch apart. Number 1. Sleep apnea detection. The Galaxy Watch 7 is the first smartwatch to have FDA-authorized sleep apnea detection. It uses its advanced bioactive sensor powered by Galaxy AI to monitor your blood oxygen levels and to alert you if something is not right. Imagine how life-saving this could be for people with undiagnosed sleep disorders. Number 2. Advanced sleep analysis with AI. Speaking of sleep, Samsung's new AI-powered sleep analysis helps you understand your sleep patterns better than ever before. It provides comprehensive insights so you can make meaningful adjustments to your routine. Number 3. Enhanced bioactive sensor. With the improved bioactive sensor, the Galaxy Watch 7 delivers even more accurate readings from heart rate to body composition. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay on top of their health. Next up, the dual frequency GPS is a big deal. Whether you're exploring the city or biking around town, the GPS can track your location with incredible precision, even in areas with poor signal coverage. Number 5. Comprehensive fitness tracking. Of course, fitness tracking is top tier on the Galaxy Watch 7. From running to swimming, this smartwatch covers it all, and it even auto-detects workouts. It's perfect for people looking to maintain or improve their fitness routines. Number 6. ECG monitoring. Samsung's ECG feature on the Galaxy Watch 7 allows you to monitor your heart rhythm. It can detect irregular heartbeats, which could be an early warning sign for certain heart conditions. It's like having a health assistant on your wrist to keep you at your best. And finally, number 7. Durability and design. I love how durable this watch is. With military-grade durability, 580M water resistance, and a stunning design, it's built to last and look good doing it. It's an elegant and stylish smartwatch that can keep up with you. Now, if you're pairing your Galaxy Watch 7 with a solid audio companion, you've got to check out the all-new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, also powered by Galaxy AI. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's start with the packaging design. So as you can see here, Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 ships in this plain white box with the image of the Buds 3 on the cover. Now we're ready to lift the cover. So let's do that. Okay, so again, there's a pack under the cover, and this is Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Let's check out the contents of the box. Okay, so let's start here. Let's remove this. So this is under the cover. Let's start with this. So here we have the quick start guide and also the warranty card. Put it here. And then next, we have the other content. Here we have charging cable. So it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, yeah. And now let's go to the case. So this is the charging case of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Let's take it out. So this one doesn't have anything, it's just the cradle. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. And this. Wow. So this is the silver colorway of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Alright. The Galaxy Buds 3 is priced at 8,990 here in the Philippines, which is a pretty solid deal for what the product offers. It's available in silver and white. Now, let's talk about the 3 key features of the Buds 3 that make them the perfect match for the Galaxy Watch 7. Number 1, immersive hi-fi sound. With a new 11mm speaker and a 24-bit codec, you get deep bass and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to music or watching movies, these buds bring your sound to life. Number 2, adaptive EQ and ANC. The adaptive EQ and active noise cancellation ANC features are powered by Galaxy AI, so you're getting the best sound no matter your surroundings. Whether you're on call or listening to your playlist, it adjusts in real time for optimal sound.
Galaxy Buds 3 also offers convenient gesture control, allowing you to play music, skip songs, and answer calls with just a swipe or a quick tap.
Number 3, and finally, ergonomic design. The new angle design is super comfortable, designed based on real ear data. This means less ear canal pressure and a snug fit, perfect for an all-day wear. I think it's super sleek and very stylish. So, what do you guys think? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Buds 3 are an unbeatable duo. Whether you're tracking your fitness, enjoying your favorite music, or just staying connected. Both are now officially available in the Philippines, so make sure you check them out at Samsung stores or online. I've left links in the description for you to learn more and possibly snag a great deal. So there you have it, guys. Again, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comment section which feature of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Buds 3 you're most excited about. Bye for now, and I'll see you again soon.